Flutter has a powerful animations engine for adding motion and effects to your Flutter app. But sometimes you just need to do something simple, like fading in a widget. And Flutter has you covered. Flutter has a bunch of transitions ready to drop into your Flutter app. Let's take a look at Fade Transition. A fade transition lets you fade a widget in and out. It takes a child and an animation, but where's the animation come from? Well, first we create an animation controller to set the duration, and then we create an animation, giving the start and end opacity values and animating via the controller. Finally, we start the animation by calling forward on the controller. It's a good idea to wrap a fade transition in a stateful widget so you can manage its state and clean up once it's done. For more info on fade and other transitions, head on over to flutter.io.